go potty. Hey, baby. You gotta go potty.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Hi.
My God. I missed you. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. How about that?
Hi!
How about that?
Your brother's home!
Glad you came home. Thank you, Lord. Oh.
He brought you something?
That's like I go potty first.
Yeah, he brought you your present. Because he came home.
We didn't expect. Y'all made it.
We made it.
Y'all made it.
We made it.
Get your sister. Oh, no, only not yours. Whoa!
What is it? Is that cool? It's a boat with, who's this? Moana and Maui. Yeah, cool. Yeah.
Good morning, everyone. It's the evening. I'm so tired. Guess who's home? Guess who's home?
Oh, Mr. Pouty Face.
Mr. Pouty Face is home.
hungry.
What's up, Paradise Crew? After 3 long weeks of in the NICU, Eli has decided to come home. So today's episode is very exciting. My son is home. We let you guys know what was going on pretty quickly, and everyone came in clutch. The power of prayer. It took Eli about 3 weeks to get back to his birth weight, and just a couple days ago, he hit 7 pounds, 4 ounces?
Well, 3.9.
3 point something, right?
Yeah, 3.9.
3.9.
No, they don't round up in the hospital.
They unfortunately they do not round up in a hospital. They were very clear on that. And so, by the grace of God, here we go. I tell you what, Eli, when you're watching this back, man, you do sleep pretty well. And Noah, honey, we love you too.
You do not.
You do not sleep well. You actually walked into our room last night shortly after he had just finished getting pamper change.
It was like midnight.
It's midnight. That girl came in at midnight. So right now, me and Rose are planning this group cruise. Unfortunately, Alyssa will not be attending because she'll be hanging out with the kids. Unfortunately, she'll be hanging out with the kids. It sounds bad.
That does sound bad.
So tired. Where's my brain? Updates on the group cruise, the President's Cruise. It's going to be coming in about 15 days at the time of you watching this video. We got some pretty exciting stuff planned. Right now, we're working on the final details of what I'd like to say version 1 of like a murder mystery cruise. We're trying to figure out who's all going to play with us, but we've been working on this fun game. I kind of want to set it up like cruisers versus pirates. If you've ever seen Mafia, that's kind of like what we're working on. Will it be successful? I don't know. But either way, got a pretty fun group going. It's going to be in Utopia of the Seas, and I'm excited because we do have 1, maybe 2 vlogs coming from it. All right? You have to forgive me. I am a little bit rusty. I'm showing you guys behind the scenes what it takes to make a video. And like I said, the key word is rusty. I've been sitting down in a chair just talking to you guys, giving you a cruise tip. Also ordered a new camera because this one's broken. Check this out. Tip.
Say hi, Dada.
Hey, buddy.
We're doing some important work over here.
Like what?
We're eating.
Snackadoodles?
Yeah, we're eating snacks so we can grow. Yes.
You know they've missed you on the channel. Our viewership has gone down tremendously. Yes, it has. We're not getting as many views. We were getting subscribers because I'm just giving people cruise tip after cruise tip.
I'm almost back.
You're almost back.
More than half of it is over.
Yeah, this is definitely definitely the last kid though, because we did this last time. We took quite a bit of time off.
Well, that's the time off part is not the reason why I don't want any more children. But after the last 3 weeks, I don't want to go through that ever.
Yeah,
again.
I think we're done. We're 2 and through.
Yeah, we're done with our 2 perfect little children.
Right now, what your boy needs is sleep. So earlier, I was trying to explain something. Alyssa's like, "That's not what you mean. You mean this." I'm like, "Yeah, you're right. I do mean this." What did I say? Unfortunately, we have kids. Yeah, I said unfortunately, Alyssa's hanging out with the kids. Basically, she can't go on the group cruise because she just had a baby, and we've already switched everything around to where I'm going to be hanging out on the group cruise with everybody and planning events, and she can't go. And so I was like, unfortunately, it's really, I wish everybody could go. And who knows? Well, maybe we'll plan another one based on the success of this one. We got, I think, over 50 cabins going, which is fantastic. So it's a big group of you. And that brings me to our t-shirt design. We're trying to bring back merch for you guys. People have been asking, do you remember what was it? The See You in Paradise tee? Anyways, guess who's awake? Hey, Noah. You want to say hi to everybody? Hi. Did you have a nap? Did you just get up from a nap? Goodness.
Yeah.
Yes. All right. I think we're going to run to the grocery store. And tonight is something that we call family night. Normally it's on Fridays, but we're getting settled in with everything, so we're going to try again tonight. Family night every night.
Hey.
Well, basically Noah gets to choose the movie.
I want to eat ice cream.
You want ice cream? Yeah. All right. We're going to go get some ice cream.
Hi. Okay, so Colin asked me to save the vlog. I don't think that I can do that. But I thought I would entertain you with the baby and open some things that we were sent many weeks ago at this point. And I thought it would be fun to give little Eli some presents. So let's start off with something that Mommy gave him, Mommy and Daddy. And then I can talk about, I don't know, actual cruise stuff. Because let me tell you, I needed a break from cruising. Back in May, I was pretty much done. Over it, mainly because I was very pregnant. But I kind of miss it now. Now that I have given birth and experienced the NICU for 3 weeks. People were great. They were awesome. They helped baby Eli get better, but I'd never want to do that ever again. So it was very exhausting, and now I need a vacation. And here, Eli is going to get fit with us again. So we're going to get back in the gym whenever I can, in about hopefully 3 weeks, and we're going to get strong together, huh, bud? So here's a fun little rattle. It's a 100-pound kettlebell. And then you got some cute, these are supposed to be dumbbells. Oh, they move. Oh, this is so cute. Yeah, that's so fun, huh? So yeah, cruising. Something that I am looking forward to doing again. Unfortunately, I don't think I'm going to be doing until at least November. Because this little one can't go until like February. But also, there's two really big ships coming out in November. And I don't want to miss at least one of them. So I think that's my next cruise. It'll be in November. Colin will do cruises before. I know, buddy. Look at all the fun things we got going on. It's way more fun at home than at the hospital, huh? What else we got? I also would like to do the rest of the laundry, so I figured what better time to open these than now. So this is cute. Little surfer dude. How fun is that? Oh, it's gonna be a while before we wear this, but this is amazing. I love that. Oh, I love this material. Free as the sea, little surfer dude. How cute. You are going to be in these. So fun. All right, so I don't know if this is actually going to make it in this main vlog or if it's going to be on Surfside. So I am going to leave that note for Colin, and he can do whatever he wants with it. Oh my goodness. I know you're just so sad you can't wear these right away, huh? This says, congratulations on your new bundle of joy from Susan McGee from Ontario, Canada. So thank you so much, Susan, for sending baby Eli some adorable surfer dude stuff. I know. You're going to look so cute in those. This box is from our great friends, the Ash family, Jen Ash. I'm going to be using this all the time. This is a nice baby carrier, and I cannot wait to be holding you all the time, buddy. You're gonna get so sick of mommy, huh? Yeah, but it looks so nice and comfy, and thank you very much. We'll always be on the go. To be fair, Noah opened this box by herself. I think she sat on it. So she already saw what's inside, and I'm just trying to catch up. But some cute little things for Noah. Seek and Find Dogs. I don't know if you knew this, but Noah loves Seek and Find books. She is actually very good at it. So this is cute because it looks like you can seek and find, and you add water and you can color them. Oh, I love this. Mommy's gonna do it. Thank you. And some adorable clothes. Minnie. Obviously, these are not for Eli. These are for Noah. But these are cute. And our favorite roots. That's so cute. And can't forget little dude here. Best little brother. Oh, that's accurate. And some cute little short sets from Roots. Oh, how cute. Oh, look at this jumper. Eli, you're going to look so cool, my boo dude. You're going to look so cool. Thank you. I love these. Oh, this is so fun. I love these. Paradise Crew has you styling, bud. Aw, good people make good parents. Your baby's so lucky to have you. Congratulations. So happy to watch you expand your beautiful family. Love from Canada. Bless you. Oh, bless you. Oh, my dear friend Roxanne. She dropped off this gift while we were still in the hospital, and I did not get to tell her thank you. But we got some towels and washcloths and some swaddle blankets, which we already need because this little guy is a ninja. He is. He busts out of all the things. So this is, it literally says adorable on it. And guess what? He's adorable. And these are nice and warm. And fun fact, I think if you guys want to see like a birth story vlog, it won't be on this main channel. It'll be on Surfside. I can totally do that once I gather all my thoughts and get rested. But I kind of want to share my experience because this has been quite a journey. And I know that it's not something that I had prepared for or we have prepared for. But you know what? We made it through. Yes, sir. I know, and we want to be able to encourage other people, I know, and share our story with the world. Isn't that right, Bunny? So that's all I have gift-wise here, but also, I think I have something else to share with you. I just don't remember what it is. So let me think about it, and we'll come back.
You don't want to go to the grocery store. Why not? We can go get you some ice cream. What I want to do for our group cruise, because everyone does like a murder mystery game, I kind of want to mash the best of both worlds and create cruisers versus pirates. And so there's some pirates who are trying to take over the ship, and then there's cruisers who are going to try to figure out who the pirates are on the group cruise. Now the people that are on the group cruise with us will be assigned roles to investigate throughout this 4-night cruise to find out who the pirates are.
Okay.
Yeah. So we'll have little bitty clues and scavenger hunts, if you will. And we're going to try to work with the bartenders to like give you guys hints. I'm going to try this so you guys can kind of meet up. So if we say, me and Rose are like, go order a whatever tiki drink at the Pesky Parrot, and you order the drink, you know, we'll make sure that the bartender gives you like a clue so you can figure out who the undercover pirates are. And then at night, you guys get to vote who you think the pirates are. If you're wrong, the person you voted for is removed from the game. And if you're right, you remove a pirate. But the pirates also at night get to remove one person from the game who's a cruiser to have them jump off, walk the plank, which I think will be fun. So it's basically Mafia set up with like 2 different things with some added hints and clues in there that kind of makes our game a little bit different. So that's what we're working on. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I think it might be worth playing, you know? Something gonna find. Yep. I'm in charge of dinner, so I'm going to make like a little chuck roast here. I've got a 2.5 pound chuck roast. I'm gonna cook it. You guys we're doing something different today in today's vlog. That's what we're gonna do, and you guys are gonna enjoy it. And then you'll see the finished dish. Seasoning, bunch of pepper. I'm gonna sear it in the Dutch oven behind me. Peel some carrots, chop some celery, some onion. What's up, baby girl? Hey, dada. Add some wine to this thing. A little bit of Worcestershire sauce. There we go. Let's have some beef stock. I don't think I have beef stock. I might be chicken stock because I don't have beef stock. Bay leaf. Maybe 2. It's home. Cool. That puts us dinner at like 5 o'clock. Boom! All done. My mom made some collards and that's some sweet potato mash. Super simple. So me and Alyssa are gonna go get some coffee. But I wanted to just say thank you guys for watching this episode. And if you're wondering who's with the kids, well, Nana, Pat, and Gigi. They're watching the grandbabies. And me and Alyssa are just gonna go on a quick little coffee date. And we look forward to creating more content for you guys. Go to the Surfside channel. Alyssa will be updating the birth story over there, and that's when you'll see more, I'm gonna say, homey vlogs like this, behind the scenes, what's going on, of everything. Not just his diagnosis, but everything, what we do in our family. I just figured we better post this video to give everyone an update on both channels, because we've been updating you guys with 2 episodes. And I promise cruise content will get back to normal very, very soon.
Very, very soon.
But as always, if you dig the vibes, please subscribe.
And if you care, please share. We'll see you in paradise.
Peace.
Bye.